You said that, in your view, the biggest risk to the market today is a lack of risk being priced in. What are you saying when you talk about that, given the run-up we've seen so far?
Yeah, Lisa, when you think about the VIX at 14, high yield spreads at 400 basis points, and now the PE ratio on the S&P 500 reaching a one-year high, about 19x, there's just not a lot of risk being priced in. And right now, the time to fix a roof is when the sun is shining. When we look at portfolios that have been overweight risk, that have actually done well this year, you've had to have real risk on to do well and outperform this year. We would look to trim into some of this strength and redeploy into higher quality fixed income, take some chips off after such an exceptional run.
What is sort of the defensive trade? What are the safer, more conservative areas to hide, especially given the fact that we do still have a pretty sticky inflation? And a lot of people have been talking about some of these tech names that have driven the rally as being the havens, as being the defensives.
I know, right? And I think quality as a factor is working in the equity market, which would usually translate to the bond market. What's interesting in the bond market right now is CCC high yield bonds are the best performing part of the corporate bond market. So it's high yield, it's bank loans. There's very little higher quality parts of the bond market that are outperforming. And I think for us, that looks like an opportunity. We're looking at the investment grade bond market at around $89 price, weighted average price, $100 being par. They're trading at $11 discount. We're looking at 5% in yield, and we're more okay with the duration. When everybody hates duration now again because all the rate hikes have been priced out and we're back to nearly the 10-year yield we started the year at, we think there's more value, not less. So we would actually look at duration. We're more intermediate. I'm not talking about super long duration, but just intermediate duration we think will actually work in your favor after this repricing.